M-Tech Automation Technologies Company Limited is located in Suzhou Industrial Park. The company was established at the end of 2005 with the plant covering an area of more than 3,000 square meters. The company's technology team has more than 8 years' experience in the industry, and more than 35% of its employees are in the R&D department. For more than a decade, the company has been engaged in design and manufacture of high-tech industrial equipment and fully automatic and intelligent production lines, and has provided various high-end and complete automation equipment for manufacturing enterprises in fields such as automotive engines and parts, consumer electronics, medical equipment and instruments, new energy, and other fields, leveraging its exceptional R&D and manufacturing capabilities, in particular its rich experience in the manufacture, assembly, and testing of automotive engine parts and components. The company has developed several inventions and has a strong intellectual property pool. M-Tech has maintained its leadership in the industry in terms of quality and design capability, and its products have been exported to the United States, India, Japan, Italy, and several other countries and regions. At present, M-Tech is the global key equipment supplier for Eaton, Nittan, and other famous engine part manufacturers, and also provides various types of high-quality automation equipment to Bosch, Fischer, Schaeffler, Dorma, UAES, and other enterprises in China and overseas. The company's main business includes 1. Valve manufacturing equipment, including electrical upsetting machine, blank sorting machine, continuous cutting machine, total length cutting machine, flathead grinding machine, polishing machine, full-size detection machine, multifunction detection machine, hollow valve sodium filling machine. 2. Hydraulic tappet and roller rocker assembly. The plunger detection and grouping device adopts a high-precision, highly durable, and reliable rotary indexing table to realize accurate positioning. The device achieves automatic loading using a pneumatic conveyor, and it adopts various high-precision measuring instruments to accurately measure critical dimensions of parts and to automatically detect all functions of the product. Defective products are separated and rejected, and qualified products are loaded onto the pallet. The size detection precision for inner and outer diameter of parts is at the micron level, and the machine beat time is less than 2.5 seconds. The device can realize rapid detection and grouping, and its technology and performance level are very high when compared to similar equipment. Automatic rocker arm assembly line. A high-precision cam indexer is adopted to ensure a multi-station and rotary conveyor can be used. There are more than 20 stations in a process, and the assembly, detection, and confirmation can be conducted concurrently. The system supports automatic loading and unloading, online hardness tests for parts, automatic sorting of defective parts, automatic riveting and monitoring of force, displacement and parallel activities. The intelligent visual system can rapidly determine the assembly. The machine beat time is less than 2.5 seconds, ensuring higher efficiency, and the system's technology and performance level are very high when compared to similar equipment. Automatic hydraulic tappet assembly line. The automatic hydraulic tappet assembly line consists of a plunger assembly, hydraulic tappet pre-assembly, tappet fuel injection, leak test, and general assembly unit. The high-precision rotary indexing table with hundreds of stations ensures excellent stability, high quality, and reliability. All parts are automatically fed using vibration trays, pneumatic conveyors, multi-axis robot, etc. And the spring manufacturing process is online. Each part can be checked online before and after assembly to ensure there are no missing parts. Parts can be assembled automatically and immediately checked and verified after assembly. With smart camera image detection, precision flow detection, error-proof verification, and other measures, each work process can be operated safely and reliably. By adopting advanced industrial-grade field bus technology, the control system links hundreds of stations to realize high-speed and real-time data transmission, remote monitoring, and diagnosis. The process data is uploaded to the ERP system, which provides data for intelligent manufacturing. Starting afresh with courage and dedication, the world looks smaller when you are at the top of the peak. Today, MTech stands at the forefront of technology research and development and is moving towards greater and higher goals.